Today's a new day, it's starting in Syracuse. You're feeling okay, we're with you, Syracuse. Families belong here, values are strong here. Stand up and tell them you're from Syracuse. Come on, let's show them that Central New York pride. Helping each other, working side by side. No holding back now, on the right track now. Stand up and tell them you're from Syracuse. You've got the spirit, say you're from Syracuse. Come on, let's hear it, say you're from Syracuse.